Well, the first thing we have to remember is that what Gecom's functions are, because people are getting carried away and saying that Gecom should do this and do that and do the other. When Gecom's functions are to, under Article 162 of the Constitution, to exercise general direction and supervision over the registration of electors which has gone, and the administrative conduct of all elections of members of the National Assembly. So their function is to exercise direction and supervision over the administrative conduct of elections. They don't have any other powers. They have to run elections. Whatever the votes are, that is the end of the matter. They then issue a declaration of results and the president is sworn in. So what has happened is that we have ignored the statements of poll, and in order to erase difficulties, what those difficulties are, I don't know, because they could have simply taken the statements of poll and determined what the numbers were. They have chosen not to do that. They've gone into a lengthy recount process. They have numbers again which match the only statements of poll that we have seen. So what they now have to do is to take those numbers and declare the results. Gecom is still bound by the Constitution and by the Representation of the People Act. So it can't just do whatever it wants to do. They do have the obligation to follow the law. They can't do whatever they want. The decisions have to be reasonable. They have to be lawful and so on. So they're circumscribed by what they can do. Gecom has ballots in boxes. They've taken those ballots out of the boxes. They have ascertained what those ballots say, and they have tabulated them, and they have verified them. So we know what the ballots in the boxes said. And that is what Gecom has to do. As I said, their function is to direct and supervise the administrative conduct of elections. So they can do nothing else other than take the numbers that they have in the ballots and declare the results.